Hello, everyone. My name is Mimi, and I am the TESOL Club president. And since we were not able to do any classroom visits this semester, we decided to create this video just to tell you a little bit more about the TESOL Club, what it is, what the benefits of joining are, and how to join. So the TESOL Club is specifically designed for TESOL undergrad and graduate students. However, all students are free to join us, and all of our events are actually free. The TESOL Club is a great place to build a community with fellow TESOL students and to network with each other, and also to network with TESOL professionals who are already in the field. We host a lot of great events where students can further develop our teaching skills and knowledge, and where we can just learn more about the TESOL field in general. Some of the main benefits are that you can get your conference costs covered. This includes out-of-state conferences as well. As long as you give us a 3-week notice, we will probably be able to give you those funds. And also funding is given whenever you are presenting research, or if there's any other academic project that you're working on that you need fees covered, you can let us know and we can try to get those fees covered for you. There's also a lot of collaboration opportunities with TESOL OC chapter. There's a TESOL cord for graduation that you receive when you're graduating. And it's most importantly, just a great place to form connections with fellow TESOL students and professionals. Ursula?
Yes, so hello, my name is Ursula. I am the event coordinator for the TESOL Club. So as Mimi mentioned, we often do collaborate with TESOL OC. So some of the events we have are some workshops. The most recent one we had was actually last semester. If you were able to check it out, it was a closer look, careers in supporting English language learners. We had a panel of professionals in the field, and they were able to answer questions we had, as well as offer suggestions and advice to people that are currently in the program or those that are simply interested in just gaining more knowledge and how to support English language learners. You'll also notice that we typically also advertise the events. Let me go back real quick. Of TESOL OC. So they typically have their conferences and their own workshops as well, and we do our best to assist as much as possible. Virtually, that's what we've been doing most often, but we'll see once things settle down, hopefully we'll be able to be more hands-on that front. So the next slide also mentions that we typically help out as well with the TESOL orientation potluck. So typically if you are new to the program or you simply want to network and get to know people better outside of the classroom setting, the professors typically host a potluck at their house. This semester, I believe it will be at Dr. Gallego's house. The date is mentioned right there, Saturday, February 19th. And this will just be an opportunity for us to get together, bring some food, enjoy it, being able to interact, and just overall get to know each other in a bit more of a casual setting. As for the specific time, we will be informed of that a bit closer to the actual date, as well as the actual location at Dr. Gallego's house. So please keep an eye out for that. And if you always want to get information, then you can definitely connect with us. And we typically also coordinate carpool driving. So if you seem to be interested in something like that, then please let us know.
Hi, my name is Amanda Hong, and let me talk about more of the benefits of joining our club. So we offer career panels, workshops, and a lot of collaborations with TESOL's OC chapter, and we also host an honor cord ceremony. And we're all for networking and building community, so we also host after-comp parties and various socials.
And we have 5 TESOL Club officers. We have President Mimi Macias Reza, Treasurer, me, Nick Olivar. Our Secretary is Amanda Hong. Our Event Coordinator is Ursula Garcia. And we have our Social Media Coordinator, Kristen Armstrong. Yeah, we still are looking for more officers. We have an open position for Vice President, ICC Representative, and our Librarian. If you're interested, please email at the email address below. If you'd like to join the TESOL Club officially, our membership, we have 3 types of membership. We have 1 semester for $15, a 1-year membership for $25, and a lifetime membership for $35. If you'd like to pay your membership, just go to the Eventbrite link right here below. And you can also contact us using the official TESOL Club email address, and we'll be in contact with you.
Hi, I'm Kristen, and I'm going to be talking about our social media. So you can follow us on a variety of websites or apps to keep up with events. This is our email address, tesol.cusf@gmail.com. There's our Facebook and our Instagram handle. Our latest addition is a TESOL Titans Discord, and this is an online website or an app to connect with others in the program, whether they be alumni, undergrads, or graduate students. And we have various channels on there, like social channels. I know I've definitely posted quite a few pet pictures recently, so there's that. But on a more serious note, we do talk about classes, or we can also study there. And you can also get more info on TESOL Club events or TESOL events there. So yeah, that's the end of our presentation. Thanks so much for listening, and we'll see you around.
Bye. Thank you, everyone.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.